Hello, my name is Julia Gold. I'm the founder of the Berlin Flower School. I'm gonna give you a small highlight overview over the last 2 days of the bouquet course. On this 2 days course, we're doing 4 different bouquets with 4 different techniques. This course is designed for professionals and for beginners, people who simply just enjoy flowers or people that are maybe want to become a wedding planner or want to become a florist. There are florists who just want to brush up their skills. I have people who have never done any courses and just want to know how to do really amazing bouquets. They all come together with the love of flowers. They all give each other advice and there's a lot of camaraderie, people really making a real progress. I will teach in German or in English. It's really an international school where I teach very small groups. I only teach 5 people in a course, so I think that makes the Berlin Flower School very special.